This week I want to give you 3 reasons you should not try to cook the books as a private investigator. Hi, Larry K, ShadowAnyone.com, and the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. Now, this may seem silly to even have to deal with this at first. Of course, you shouldn't be what we call cooking the books or adjusting, playing around with your accounts receivable, your monies, your tax deductible things, trying to make it seem like you've earned less money so that you can pay less taxes. There's 3 reasons you shouldn't try to do this. Number 1, it's unethical. It's just wrong. For better or for worse, we have agreed that the tax system that's in place is the one that we're going to deal with. If you want to change it, then you have to change the way you vote. You have to change the way you lobby. And those types of things. You have to be a real advocate for that change. But in the meantime, we as a society have agreed that our tax system is the one we're going to work with for now. And so there you have a rightful obligation to give the true numbers to the tax guy, to pay the taxes on what you actually earn. So the first reason to not cook the books is because it's unethical. You need to operate in an ethical manner in all aspects of your life. The second reason is that it's illegal and it's fraud. You can go to jail. You can pay immense fines and penalties in this. And at first you may say, well, isn't that the same as it being unethical? Being illegal is a little bit different. There are plenty of things that are legal that are still not right, that are still wrong and unethical in my view. But this is one of those cases where, trying to cheat on your taxes is illegal, and that's reason number 2. You should not try to cook the books as a private investigator. Reason number 3, you may not have thought of, and this may not be something you care about now, and it may be years from now before you do care about it, but if you ever want to sell your business, the person buying your detective agency, they're going to want to look at your books, obviously. And if you've been cheating and cooking the books and pretending like you're making whatever it is, 10% less or 50% less or whatever it is than you actually are, you're not going to be able to sell your business for the same amount of money as if you'd been reporting a correct, accurate, and higher amount that's real. So that people are going to come in, they're going to look at your profit and loss statements, they're going to look at that, and they're probably going to use a lot of your tax returns as those primary documents to say, what is this guy really billing out? What is he really bringing in? What profits is he actually making? Now, it's kind of tough to sell a detective agency, and we'll talk about that on another video because you have to set things up in a certain way. It's very easy to work for years and then to realize you just don't have anything to sell. You haven't really established a business so much as you've created a job for yourself, and that's a rough moment to come upon. Believe me, I've been there. But keeping accurate record keeping and paying what you need to pay in taxes will benefit you when it comes time to sell the business, or, and I'm not a big believer in this, but getting a loan. If you need a loan and you've been underreporting your income for years, the lender is going to look and say you don't make enough money for this, that, or the other thing. So keep accurate bookkeeping, and that really pays off to your benefit as well. This is Larry K, ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.